In today's training course on the ZephyrTek channel, we will be learning how to properly configure a Windows 11 Pro virtual machine on a Proxmox server. This is a step-by-step guide. For this demonstration, I will be using a Proxmox server with the Proxmox version 8.2.2. As always, if you like what you see, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Okay, have your thinker caps on? Let's begin. First, you're going to need some files before we can create the VM for the Windows 11 installation. You will need the following: Windows 11 ISO, Proxmox VirtIO Driver Pack ISO, a Proxmox server with room for a 4 CPU, 8 GB of RAM, and a 60 GB of storage virtual machine. You can find all the links in the description on where to download these files. Please download and upload the ISO files to the Proxmox server. I will show you how to upload the ISO files. Log into your Proxmox server and select the local storage space. Then select ISO. Selecting Upload will allow you to upload the files. You will need both files in order for this to work. Now that we have uploaded all the files needed, we will start the VM creation by selecting Create VM box at the top right corner of the UI. We need to name the VM. For this demo, we will use the title Windows 11 Tutorial, and we will hit Next. From the drop-down menu for the ISO image, select the title of your Windows 11 ISO. In my case, I will use the Windows 11 x64 version 23H2 ISO. Change the type from Linux to Microsoft Windows, leaving the version 11 2022-2025. You will need to check the box for Add Additional Drive for VirtIO drivers. And from the drop-down menu, you will select the VirtIO driver ISO. We will now hit Next. We will change the drop-down menu for EFI storage to the larger storage on the server. In this case, Hammerhead Data. We will do the same for TPM storage and then select Next. Leave all the drive creation as default, but change the amount of storage space to 60 GB and select Next. Use the up arrows to increase the CPU core count to 4, then select Next. Change the value for memory to 8192. Change the minimum memory to 4096. Now select Next. Change the model of the network card to Intel E1000E and select Next. Lastly, select Finish. And that's it. You can now select your VM in the list and start your VM to initiate the VM. Please feel free to contact ZephyrTek for any of your IT business needs. You can find all our information at our website, ZephyrTek.net, and the link is in the description.